I just tested a brand new get paid to site called Freecryp, and I actually earned from it. And in this video, I'm showing you exactly how it works, how I earned, and even a live withdrawal with payment proof. So then you can decide for yourself whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. In case you don't know, my name's Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online. And people often ask me about new opportunities, and honestly, most new sites that I test are not worth it because they're just a copy, or they're just not really interesting, or they don't have a good user experience. But this one actually so far is one that I find very interesting. So let's go over everything it has to offer. I'll show you how to cash out, how much you can earn and all that, and then you can decide for yourself. So let's just start by going over who can join. And Freecryp is a website platform you can join from basically all countries. You can see you can go to the website and you can sign up with a Google or a Facebook account. And I will just log in now, and then we'll go over how you can earn, and I'll also show you that I actually withdraw while recording here. So let's just start with the payment proof where I try to withdraw. You can see right here I have 9,500 points that I can then withdraw. So I'll do that first, and then we'll talk more about how you can earn and how much you can earn. So I would just go here to cash out, and then you can see the different options that it currently has. And again, I want to emphasize that this is a brand new site that at the time recording this, it just basically launched. So there might continuously be some improvement. But at the moment, these are the options that are here. You can get paid in cash via PayPal. It also has some great crypto options, Binance Pay, you can see also TRX and Litecoin. So really great options. And also if you click here, for example, for PayPal, the payout threshold is only $1, so very low payout threshold, and $1 is then 5,000 points. So you can see I have close to $2 that I've earned here, and since it's a brand new site, I want to show you that it actually pays before any of us spent a lot more time there. For crypto, you can see the minimum here is 2.5, so that's basically 50 cents, so that's even lower. And again, that's the same for TRX, and if we look at Binance Pay, that is the same also. So but for this video here, I will choose Litecoin. So you can see you can choose any Litecoin address you want to, so whatever crypto address you have or crypto wallet there, you can do that. And I will just paste one mine in here, one that I have from crypto.com here. I'll of course blur that out for privacy reasons, and then you just put in the points you want to withdraw, and you can see here this is how much that I will receive. So I will receive the full amount. They don't charge some kind of crazy fee as some platforms do. I really like that. Also, it says here that just make sure it is only Litecoin wallet addresses, so you use the right network and all this, and withdrawals are non-refundable and may take up to 24 hours. And how it usually is with platforms like this, the first time you withdraw, it can sometimes take a little bit longer. But now I just need to then click to redeem, and you can see it just says successfully redeemed Litecoin for 9,500 points. So super easy, smooth process here. And I'll then leave a screenshot here from the email I get from crypto.com with this money here when they go into my account there, so you can see for yourself that I did get paid. I will also write there exactly how long it took. But let's now then talk about how you can actually earn, and we'll of course also go over the overall earning potential. So the usability is quite nice here. You can just go to the quick tasks here, or you can also go to premium picks, where you then have the offer walls here. In my experience so far from what I have seen, especially right now, this vortex wall here is one that gives some really great options. At least that's some that I really like. You can go here and see the paid offers, and for paid offers, if you use get paid to sites before, it works the same. Sometimes they have some boost, as you can see at this time it does. Again, this is an event, so I can't guarantee that will be there all the time, but you can just go always here. You can go and click. You need to read exactly what the rewards you get, when you will get it, read all the details. You can even see some similar offers. I kind of like that it does that. And then you basically just proceed, and then you would need to scan it on your phone and download it, and then it'll be tracked. So it's just important that you don't have an ad blocker on your phone or your computer when you do this, because then it can't track that it actually comes from here. But other than that, then you can just play any game if it's a game on your phone. There are also offers that are not anything to do with the games. You can see they also have, for example, easy service, so you can do that, and many different other offer walls here where you can find, for example, videos to watch, ads to click, different websites to sign up for free trials, all kind of different offers. And in general, I would say that it does pay quite well compared to many other get paid to sites. And also you can see here they have a coming soon. Maybe by the time that you watch this, it will be available. I have actually reached out to them and asked what's coming here, and they say that it is that you can also earn by watching videos. So I think that's quite interesting that that will also be added. And this also just shows, speaking of that, I actually reached out to them, that they do have support. They have 24/7 support. So that's something I really do appreciate when get paid to site or service side has. So that's definitely great. But there's also one more way you can earn. So let's also quickly just talk about that. So if you decide to test out Freecryp and you like it, you can also earn by inviting others. You can go to the invite section, and then you can, for example, see the tiers, how much you can earn, because that depends how many people you invite. You can see when you just first start, you will earn 5% commission. So that will say when someone you invite, they earn, you will get 5%. They will earn the same, so it won't affect their earnings. It's just important. I just want to make that very clear. But those 5% will be paid by Freecryp. But if you then invite a lot of people, you can see you can get all the way up to 30%, but of course that's also a lot of people you would need to invite for that. So I would say for most people, these very high levels, they are not so realistic. But still, if you really like it, you can earn some extra nice money passively, basically by inviting others. And also, if you decide to test it, then I will also leave my invitation link below so you can get started. That will at the same time support my channel, and I would definitely appreciate that support. So overall, so far, I definitely like Freecryp. As mentioned, I've tested hundreds of sites and I keep testing new sites, but not very often I come across a new site where I think it's really worth continuing using. But this one is definitely one that I will continue using and keep an eye on, because as mentioned, it is brand new. So we'll have to keep an eye on and see how it develops. So far, I definitely like it. I like the usability of it. I like the low payout threshold. And also from what I can see there, then they process the payments very fast as long as you do things honestly. So it has a lot of good things going for it, definitely in my opinion. So if you have tried it yourself, or if you decide to after watching this video, I would love to hear your opinion and experiences about it also. So just please feel free to share that in a comment below. And also, if you decide to give it a go, as mentioned, I will leave my invitation link below, so then you can easily and fast get started. As mentioned, it is completely free to sign up and start earning there. So you can go and check that out. And if the video helped you, then also make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.